Need that fool.
Not you.
Help me out a lot, no.
Oh, win.
I'm not good on camera.
Round of applause. And we get that. But that was Kobe's life.
Bust it. Bust it. Bust it. Oh my God! Please, with your anger temper tantrums. Bro, you messed me up. I swear I had it. Dang, bro. I'm glad the turtle now.
No, I'm saying like.
God, well, you got your whole thing.
Yeah.
The size on it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. The ciders. I thought you were like talking about like
No.
Let me hear that.
well, in practice we shoot the regular targets like until we get better because that's how we get better at it.
That's right.
In practice.
I quit. I'm not shooting.
Unless you're shooting for sport.
No, I'm not sighted, so I can't shoot.
Sight yourself.
Me?
I don't.
I know you can sight stand.
No, I can't sight and stand.
I can sight in standing. It's just really hard. It takes a long time. Alex, come up closer to the line.
Oh.
Your foot can be like right before the line.
I don't know. When I was in this position, I just didn't know. I just kept
Yeah, you keep scooting back with each shot.
Just watching me.
Well, I'm only watching like the past 3 shots, but I've noticed that I just scoot back a little bit. Scoot back a little bit. Scoot back a little bit.
It helped me in the last two. I got a bull. My phone 5. Got 8 on 7. I'm telling you. The other one I know, right? I'd rather not speak over the other ones. I got Melissa shit and shot 300. That's self-explanatory.
Yeah, I'm experiencing technical difficulties.
There we go. Got it.
My sword's gonna
Oh, that's why.
right. That was a misfire.
I'm gonna be happy if I get anything
Nice to
over
say that right
150.
You got some really good shots, Alex.
Gee, I shot my other stand and I shoot the other one.
Yeah, shooting kneeling.
Yes,
Standing.
yes, go ahead and shoot it.
I wish I didn't have this little bone marrow sticking out. I'm trying to see if I get surgery in the future. I'm gonna get rid of it.
Okay, Chief, I have a question. How's he gonna shoot his kneeling target in the standing position if his target is in the kneeling position?
I know, that's what I'm saying. I had messed up on that.
What's going to happen is target will be in the standing
Yeah,
position.
but look, at
I know,
he has it hung right now.
He has it hung wrong.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I told you.
He's got to hang
I
it.
know.
He's got to hang in the standing position
And shoot a double
And-
standing,
and shoot a double standing, right?
like I did with the prone.
Absolutely right.
I told
Well,
you.
I'm sorry, Mrs. Know-It-All. Gosh, I'm sorry.
I was trying to help you. You dissed my knowledge, so
didn't
that's
diss-
what you get.
I didn't dish your nuts. Stop trying to make me sound like a little. Excuse my language.
Like a little donkey. You're panicking?
No.
Don't turn to Malik, please.
What's wrong?
Everything.
Oh. Are they even shooting over there?
Nah, sounds like they're having a cup of
Oh, this is gonna be weird.
Right? Tea time. Tea time.
I feel like I'm like meditating.
It's a military program if that counts for anything.
Hey, no, that was a ballseye. No!
What, Justin? Did you just say it was a ballseye or a bullseye?
That's exactly what I heard. It's a ballseye.
It's a ballseye. Kiss these things.
I'm messing
Very.
Brandon
Yeah, I was
up
gonna
so
say
bad.
something. I said both. But I just wanted to balls.
Yeah, I totally want to hear you talking about ballseyes.
Yeah, I know, right?